Looking for a versatile kitchen appliance to make cooking effortless? The best electric griddle grill delivers perfectly even heat for pancakes, burgers, and more. Enjoy quick, easy, and delicious meals every day with this must-have grill. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Bella Electric Griddle Grill. The Bella Electric Griddle Grill is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their indoor cooking experience. Its extra-large XL griddle surface is powered by a 1,500-watt heating system, providing consistent and efficient heat for all types of meals. The griddle comes with cool touch handles and a built-in ledge with a backstop, making flipping pancakes, eggs, or sandwiches easy and safe. One of the standout features is its removable probe with an easy-to-use dial, allowing precise temperature control to cook food exactly how you like it. The Bella Griddle also features a unique ceramic non-stick coating reinforced with titanium, making it 8 times more durable than standard non-stick surfaces and capable of cooking food up to 30% faster. This coating ensures that food slides off effortlessly while being scratch-resistant, so it remains in excellent condition even with regular use. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that the healthy eco-coating is free from harmful chemicals such as lead and cadmium, making it a safe option for daily cooking. Bella has a reputation for providing high-quality kitchen essentials, including air fryers, waffle irons, coffee makers, and more, ensuring this griddle complements a well-equipped kitchen. Designed for convenience and versatility, it allows you to whip up breakfast, lunch, or dinner quickly while keeping cleanup simple. Overall, the Bella Electric Griddle Grill combines durability, safety, and efficiency, making it a reliable companion for families or individuals who enjoy homemade meals without the fuss of complicated appliances. Its combination of size, power, and non-stick performance makes it an essential tool in any modern kitchen. Number 2. Ninja Electric Griddle Grill. The Ninja Electric Griddle Grill is a versatile and high-performance appliance perfect for home cooks who crave flexibility and precision. Featuring interchangeable grill and griddle plates, this unit allows you to switch between preparing juicy, char-grilled steaks or sizzling vegetables and creating flat-top favorites like pancakes or eggs. The grill heats up to an impressive 500 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering authentic high-heat searing and perfect grill marks, bringing restaurant-quality results straight to your kitchen. One of its key benefits is the edge-to-edge cooking design, which ensures even heat distribution across the entire surface, eliminating cold or hot spots and guaranteeing consistently cooked meals every time. The Ninja Griddle also includes a perforated mesh lid that helps control smoke while reducing splatter, keeping your kitchen clean and making indoor grilling more enjoyable. With a family-size capacity, the 14-inch plates can accommodate up to 6 burgers or pancakes, making it ideal for households of 4 to 6 people. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable non-stick grill and griddle plates, which are dishwasher-safe and designed for hassle-free maintenance. The dual cooking mode allows you to cook with the hood up for high heat intensity, or close it to retain heat and melt cheese toppings perfectly. In addition to the grill and griddle plates, the package comes with a quick start guide and 10 recipes to inspire your cooking. The Ninja Electric Griddle Grill is a perfect blend of versatility, performance, and convenience, offering everything you need to cook a wide range of meals with precision, efficiency, and minimal effort. Number 3. Blackstone Electric Griddle Grill. The Blackstone Electric Griddle Grill is designed for those who want a large, high-quality cooking surface with exceptional control and convenience. Boasting a 312 square inch ceramic titanium-coated cooking area, this griddle provides ample space for cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner for families or gatherings. The durable coating ensures easy food release and simple cleanup, even after handling sticky or greasy foods. A patented Rotate and Remove E-Series hood offers flexibility for different cooking experiences, including teppanyaki-style preparation, and can be removed effortlessly when you need more space or want a different cooking setup. One of the most impressive features is the 2 independently controlled heat zones, allowing you to cook main dishes and sides simultaneously at different temperatures, giving you precise control over your meals. This is particularly useful when preparing foods that require varying levels of heat or cooking times. The rear grease management system helps push food debris and excess grease to the back of the griddle for a cleaner cooking experience, reducing mess and making cleanup straightforward. The griddle comes with an easy-to-read LCD digital display and easy-touch control dial, which simplifies adjusting temperature zones and monitoring cooking progress. Designed for 120V/60 Hz operation with 1,600 watts of power, the Blackstone electric griddle grill offers reliable performance and fast heating. Overall, this griddle combines size, power, and intelligent features to enhance cooking efficiency and versatility. It is perfect for families or individuals who enjoy preparing a wide variety of meals, from breakfast classics to grilled entrees, in a convenient and controlled indoor environment. Number 4. Gourmia Electric Griddle Grill. The Gourmia Electric Griddle Grill is a 3-in-1 cooking powerhouse that brings flexibility and efficiency to your kitchen. Its double-sided plates allow you to use it as a grill, griddle, or both at the same time, making it perfect for cooking steaks, pancakes, vegetables, or a combination of dishes simultaneously. One of its standout features is the 2 independent cooking zones, which let you grill chicken on one side while keeping vegetables or sides warm on the other. This level of control ensures precise cooking without compromising flavors or texture. The non-stick ceramic coating is PFAS-free, providing a safe and healthy cooking surface that allows food to slide off easily while reducing cleanup time. A pull-out drip catcher tray collects grease and excess oil, keeping your countertop clean and minimizing maintenance. With precise temperature control ranging from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and a 28x 11.5-inch XL surface, this griddle heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly, allowing you to cook multiple items efficiently. The easy-to-read indicator light ensures that you always know when the appliance is ready for use. Gourmia's electric griddle grill is ideal for family meals, breakfast spreads, or casual entertaining, providing versatility and convenience in one compact appliance. Number 5. VEVOR Electric Griddle Grill. The VEVOR Electric Griddle Grill is a heavy-duty appliance designed for cooking large amounts of food quickly and efficiently. With a powerful 1,600-watt heating system and a spacious 21x 12-inch cooking surface, this griddle provides even heat distribution, ensuring all your dishes are cooked thoroughly and consistently. Its thick 0.4-inch cooking plate retains heat exceptionally well, making it perfect for preparing breakfast favorites, grilled sandwiches, omelets, or family-sized meals. The VEVOR griddle features precise heating control with a temperature range of 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to cook a wide variety of foods to perfection. Built from premium stainless steel and a non-PFOA, non-PTFE cooking surface, this griddle ensures healthy and safe cooking while maintaining durability and long-lasting performance. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the enlarged drip hole and removable oil storage box, which collects excess grease and food particles efficiently. Additionally, the package includes brushes and shovels to help manage cooking and maintain cleanliness. The VEVOR Electric Griddle Grill is versatile enough for both home and commercial use, making it suitable for restaurants, snack bars, or large family kitchens. Its large capacity, durable construction, and precise temperature control make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to prepare meals efficiently while maintaining food quality. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.